If you came across an interesting video on Threads and wanted to save it to your phone, you probably noticed that the app doesn't have a direct download option. In this video, I'll show you the fastest and easiest way to download any Threads video and save it to your gallery. First, open the Threads app and log into your account. Once you've done that, find the video you want to save to your phone's gallery, and then tap on the share icon. In the menu that appears, find the link option and tap on it. Once you do this, the video link will be copied to your clipboard. Now, close the Threads app and open a web browser on your phone. In the browser, type Threads Downloader and go to the search results. You'll see several websites listed. Tap on the first one, Threads Downloader, as shown in my example. Next, find the field that says Threads link and paste the link you copied. After that, tap on Load Videos right below the field. Wait a few seconds. Then tap on Download MP4. Immediately after that, a menu will appear. Choose Save Video. Once you do this, the video will be saved to your gallery. And that's it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, leave a like, share the video, and subscribe to my channel, Smart Assistant. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you very soon.